The divine and dynamic natures. 16th chapter. The divine and dynamic natures. దైవాస స్వభావములు దంభో దర్పో విమానచ్చ క్రోధ పౌరుష్య మేవ చ అజ్ఞానం చ అభిజాతస్య పార్థ సంపదమసూరిం. ఓ పార్థ, గర్వము, దర్పము, స్వాభిమానము, కోపము, పురుష కోపము, పరుషత్వము, అజ్ఞానము అనే లక్షణములు అసుర స్వభావం వారికి చెందినవి. దైవీ సంపదం విమోక్షాయ నిబంధాయ సురీమత మా శుచ సంపదం దైవీమభిజాతోసి పాండవ. 5. The divine dynamic natures. దైవీ గుణములు మోక్షములకు అనుకూలములై ఉండగా అసుర గుణములు బంధనార్కములకు చున్నవి. ఓ పాండుపుత్ర, చింతింపకము, నీవు దైవీ గుణములతో జన్మించితివి. ది డైనమిక్ నేచర్స్. దంభః pride, దర్పః arrogance, అభిమానః conceit, and క్రోధ anger, పరుష్యం harshness, evil, certainty, and ajnanam, ignorance, and abhijatasya, of one who is born of Partha, O son of Partha. Sampadam, the qualities. Asurim, the dynamic nature. Pride, arrogance, conceit, anger, harshness, and ignorance. These qualities belong to those of demonic nature of son of Partha. Purport: in this verse, the royal road to hell is described. The dynamic want to make a show of religion and advancement in spiritual science. Although they do not follow the principles, they are always arrogant or proud in possessing some type of education or so much wealth. They desire to be worshipped by others and demand respectability, although they do not command respect. Over trifles, they become very angry and speak harshly, not gently. They do not know what should be done and what should not be done. They do everything whimsically according to their own desire, and they do not recognize any authority. These dynamic qualities are taken on by them from the beginning of their bodies in the wombs of their mothers, and as they grow, they manifest all these inauspicious qualities. 5th sloka, 16th chapter. the divine dynamic natures. Divine, transcendental, sampat, assets, vimoksha meant for liberation, nabandya for bondage, asuri demonic qualities, mata are considered ma do not, sukha worry, sampadam assets, daivim transcendental, abhijata born of, asi you are, Pandava was son of Pandu. These transcendental qualities are conducive to liberation, whereas the dynamic qualities make for bondage. Do not worry of son of Pandu, for you are born with the divine qualities. Purport. Lord Krishna encouraged Arjuna by telling him that the was not born with dynamic qualities. His involvement in the fight was not dynamic because he was considering the pros and cons. He was considering whether respectable persons such as Bhishma and Drona should be killed or not. So he was not acting under the influence of anger, false prestige or harshness. Therefore he was not of the quality of the demons. For a Kshatriya, a military man shooting arrows at the enemy is considered transcendental, and refraining from such as a duty is dynamic, demonic. Therefore was not case of Arjuna to lament anyone who performs the regulative principles of the different orders of life is transcendently situated. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Om Adhyatmendasya Anand Salakaya Chakshumritam Yantasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.